Hey everybody, hope you're all doing well out there. Tonight's video I am going to be attempting to pick open this American Series 260 padlock. I don't know if you saw my last video. I recently did a restoration on this beauty and showed just how sharp the springs were, and also showed the barrel pins, security pins that are in there, which I have yet to pick. Spools, serrated, no problem. But these barrel pins are something different and quite challenging. But hopefully tonight I'll be able to get my first open and do it on camera. But we'll see. I'll go ahead and get it clamped up in the vise and get to picking. Alright, so we got her all clamped up. And let's see, hopefully I got some luck here tonight. Start off with my favorite American pick, or favorite pick for American locks, if I can find it. And it's a Peterson number 4 hook in 15,000s. Alright, go pry bar on the top. Please excuse the fan. Probably going to edit in some music anyways and maybe speed this up because I have a feeling this is going to take a while. But here we go. Oh yeah! Ooh! Oh yeah, that is awesome. That is awesome, guys. Yeah, I got that bad boy. That is awesome. There we go. Cool.